Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa, Ayurvedic doctor. Today I am going to tell about an Ayurvedic medicine, Dashmula Arishta. It is a general health tonic. It increases the metabolism of our body. It is a Ruchya, Pachana and also Deepana, means it helps to increase the taste in our mouth. Like that only, it helps to increase the digestive fire in our body. So it increases our immunity also. It's mainly used for stomach problems. If you are having any gas problems or flatulence issue, or if you are having any problems in your stomach, digestion related problems, you can use this medicine. It is a good carminative. It is good for stopping the vomiting also. You can use this medicine. It is good for gas abdominal pain issues also. It is an anti-flatulent medicine. Then next is it is a good analgesic. If you are having any pain in your body parts, especially in the joint pain, for the small joints also, or in knee joint, ankle joint, or in small fingers also, if you are having any joint pain or any slip disc issues or any issues in the muscles or tendon or ligament tear, in those cases also you can use this medicine. Then it is a good for it is good for muscles also. In ladies, it is very useful medicine, especially during the periods. If you are getting any bleeding problems, you can use this medicine, or any cyst or fibroid in uterus or any swellings in your body, you can use this medicine. Then when many many ladies are getting suffered from uh, spotting in during their bleeding, during their periods. So this is very helpful medicine. It is good for painful periods also. It is also helpful in the menopausal conditions also. This helps to decrease the symptoms of the menopausal period. It is good for PCOD or delayed periods, or like that only. uh, Less bleeding in some cases. Some ladies are suffering from less bleeding. For those people also, it is very good medicine. For gents also, it can be taken for any, if they are getting any semen problems, quality or in motility. If they are having any issues, they can also take this medicine. It is very effective. If they are feeling any weakness or for increasing stamina also, this medicine can be very helpful with other combinations of Ayurvedic medicines. Next is, it is also used for the respiratory problems also, for cough, cold or asthma like conditions. It is very helpful. It is also used in urinary tract infections, skin rashes or skin problems, and like that only piles in piles problems or fistula in ano problems, or for liver health, for increasing the liver health also, it is very useful. All types of vata vyadi, this Dashmula Rishtam is very helpful. For the Shukra Dhatu Shaya, it is very helpful. And in combination, we can give so many medicines for this Dashmula Rishtam. For example, in periods issues, delayed periods, or in periods issues, we can give it with Ashoka Rishtam. The combination of Ashoka Rishtam and Dashmula Rishtam works very well. And if for another example, we can give that Jiraka Arishtam is also given with this Dashmula Arishtam, or Kasturyadi Kutika or the Dhanantram Kutika, like that. So many combinations are there. So if you are a gastritic patient, please consult with your doctor, or if you are a diabetic patient, please consult with your doctor. While taking any of the Ayurvedic medicines, just a consultation is very much needed. So thank you very much.